Okay, here's an update on my radio frequency signal preconditioner. I'm working on mounting the air variable capacitors in the cabinet. So here's how the front panel actually will look now. I haven't cut the panel artwork out. It's glued to the metal panel. Anyway, remember where I said I only had one shot at it to get everything to line up? So here's sort of a shot of how that looks at this point. I thought that came pretty good. So there's the two air variable capacitors for the impedance matcher. They have to be electrically isolated. That's the relay that'll get wired in for configuring it to the pi or T. Here's the other air variable capacitor for the antenna preselector right there. Now what I have there is I have a cardboard template for the transient input circuitry. That is the wire interconnect board. That'll be mounted on standoffs, of course. That's reserved for the power supply. That little board right there with the green wires on it will be the 4-to-1 transformers that get mounted to that. And this is where the preamp itself will actually be mounted. So I'm laying this out. This is one idea how I'm going to lay the boards out. The relay, I played with various places on where I want to put that in there. Right now I'm leaning to that, but that's the capacitors, how they're doing. That's Lexan. They have to be electrically isolated, so they're mounted on Lexan and on L brackets. As you can see, I'm cutting the L brackets a little short because they don't need to be that long. And I use insulated shafts to come out through the panel to the knobs. I haven't drilled the holes yet for that because the exact placement front to back isn't set yet. But anyway, that's what's going on with the pre-selector. What I'm curious though is mounting this amplifier, because that little circuit board doesn't look like it has any mounting holes in it. So that's going to be interesting to figure out how I actually mount that. Thanks for watching.